It's going to give an opportunity for people to see it ahead of time and not just read a posting, volunteers needed. A lot of people think, and when they think of the fact, oh, you have a shelter, they kind of think of the Humane Society and some luxurious, well, compared to this, they think of something that's like the Humane Society, and they don't realize what a struggle we have.
When we started volunteering at NCA, the way that they would take our hours was by writing it on scraps of paper. So we decided that it might be beneficial for the organization as a whole to create an official volunteer logbook for future volunteers to use.
Well, we've had really good luck over the years with the FGCU students, so it's not just you guys, but we've had a couple of groups that have worked out really well, and we actually have one student that comes back even though he's finished his hours, and we need all the extra help that we can get, and you guys really pitch in, and it's not fun work, it's not glamorous and stuff, and you guys do what needs to be done. Yes, definitely, and that's why Shane goes every year to the Volunteer Expo and tries to talk to as many students as he can, because it's been several years now that they've really been an asset to us. We very rarely turn away a cat because of age or disease or something like that. And, we are a no-kill shelter. We do our best to keep them alive. A lot of shelters won't accept cats with medical issues, or domestic animal services will just put them down.